Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another film simulation recipe that I wanted to share, and I wasn't planning on going out to take pictures this morning, but I woke up and a viewer of the channel, Marcel, and I've shared a couple of Marcel's recipes before. He was kind enough to share them on his website as well. He actually emailed me. He has just posted a new recipe, new Scala, on his website. It's a black and white film simulation recipe based on an Agfa film, and he was kind enough to send me a little sneak peek of some pictures of the recipe and the actual recipe, so I wanted to share it with everybody so you could go take a look. All of the pictures are taken, as always, with the Fuji X100v. They are just JPEG straight out of the camera, other than a bit of cropping on a couple of these images, which I did post with a bit of editing. But other than that, just straight JPEGs out of the camera. Now, Marcel did recommend that for this film simulation to show the best results, you want to overexpose your images a little bit. I probably could have overexposed a few of these images a bit more, but let me know what you think. This is kind of an interesting, good, nice film simulation recipe. I will definitely keep it on the camera for a little bit and give it a try. I hope you enjoy these photos. As always, let me know if you have any favorites. I have a couple of my favorites. See if you can guess them in the comments below. Hopefully you enjoyed those. Thanks again, Marcel, for sharing your film simulation recipes. Really appreciate it. I'll keep my eye out on my inbox for a couple of other ones. It's a nice thing to wake up to go give something a try, and gets me out of the house and out snapping pictures with my camera, which I love to do. Hopefully you will have a time to check out this recipe maybe over the weekend. As always, I will leave the recipe down in the description below. Check that out. I'll also link over to Marcel's website so you can check out some of his other recipes, and I'll put a couple of links to the last recipes of Marcel's I shared. Lots of links in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you've made it this far, aren't subscribed to the channel, I share a ton of Fujifilm simulation recipes like this one that you just saw, and if you have one that you really like, feel free. You can reach over to my contact page on this YouTube channel. Shoot me an email with your recipe that you enjoy. I'd love to try it out on the channel. It's a lot of fun. Thanks everybody. Have a great weekend. We'll catch you in the next video.